Yes guys, welcome back to another unboxing. On today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Stream Deck from Elgato. I recently picked this up on Black Friday event. It does retail for $129.99 and I was able to pick up this for £90. So, you know, I would think that's a very good a deal regarding this. It has been something I've kind of looked at for quite a while, regarding for streaming and content creation, and I thought obviously with the lower price, I thought, you know, I'm going to take that step and finally purchase it. Just to start off with guys, this is compatible both with Windows and Mac, so you know, whatever operation system that you do currently use, this will be usable on either. So obviously that's a good thing to begin with. And let's get this open so I can show you how it is. So pretty much for the start off, obviously there is the Stream Deck. There is an instruction manual to kind of go through, you know, all the things that you will need to know. Pretty much you just connect the USB into the into your PC or your Mac, and then you would have to go in Streamlabs or whatever streaming software that you're using, and that would allow you to put whatever command on whatever button that you choose for any of these LED icons. So there's the Stream Deck, guys. It's pretty small. It's no bigger than probably your hand, to be fair. I think I say the USB cable does seem to be rather a decent size, so you could probably kind of put this pretty much anywhere on your desk and not have any trouble as far as stretching wise. Pretty much simple design. 12 LED buttons. So just say, for example, you know, you're streaming or content creation or whatever, just say you're on Twitter and then you want to switch between to YouTube, anything, you'll have different buttons with the different icons on this. So instead of having to use the mouse to physically, you know, click and drag and all that type of stuff to switch browsers, this with a touch of button will transfer you straight over. So it will make transitions through your stream or content creation very easy and a lot simpler. Each of the buttons, it does allow you to I guess kind of the best way to put it is like each button is as a file. So even though it might be for one particular thing, you can have a lot of different applications in one of these buttons. So it's not like you would have to use all 12 buttons, for example. You could just use a few if needed be. But, you know, it gives you the option. So I guess Elgato have kind of took that in consideration to obviously help the users a lot. Here's a stand that you get, guys. Obviously this is just primarily to allow you to you know, put it at an angle where it's going to allow you to, you know, get access to it a lot quicker. So obviously it will just go there and it'll pretty much just go in like that, guys. Simple as that. Nothing high tech about it. Obviously, like I say, this can be placed anywhere on your desk. Obviously it's going to be within hand's reach, obviously, you know what I mean, to make it very easy. So I guess if you maybe have your PC under your desk slightly, this might be a bit of an issue, because like I say, the cable, I wouldn't say it is too long. It could definitely probably get under the desk, but depending on where your PC is, you might have a slight bit of an issue. But I would think for the most part, you know, nine times out of 10, it's not going to be an issue. I'll quickly look at the back of the box. You know, it kind of gives you a few kind of bullet points. Easy setup, personalized keys, unlimited profiles. So you can have different profiles for just say different games or different kind of content that you might be creating. So that's going to be pretty easy with that. As far as also the technical specifications, like I say, Mac and Windows is compatible for both. So I don't think you would need a high kind of standard of PC or Mac to be able to run this or use this. So, and like I say, this is pretty much used for Twitter, OBS, Twitch, YouTube, XSplit, and a lot more. And obviously the Elgato game capture software as well. Obviously, Elgato do have a variety of products that you can buy from them, which is all gonna obviously kind of go together in some way or what. So anyway, guys, if there's anything I've missed regarding this, please let me know. I will answer as quick and soon as possible in the best way of my knowledge. Like I say, this is just to simplify things in streams or content creation. It's something that's going to make, you know, your day a lot easier at a touch of a button, instead of having to like search for tabs and stuff like that and browsers and stuff like that. So anyway, guys, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that like video. There will be more videos coming in the next few weeks, and do check out some of the other unboxings that I've done recently, especially obviously with the Black Friday event recently happening. Obviously I've been kind of taking advantage of that with some technology that's been on offer, and like I say, this was the latest of the purchases that I did make. So until next time, guys, I thank you very much, and I shall see you again.